Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Nova Y63 with starry circle design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.75 inches HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide angle front facing camera with aperture 2.0, video. Recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of EMUI 14, no Google Play services screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 1.9 GHz. Quad-core Cortex A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G, 6nm chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.3 by 77.7 by 8.93 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams, and the color options, black, silver colors, to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 22.5 watt superfast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with mono speaker support, USB Type-C charging port. Press the X button to get quick access to your most frequently used apps, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing. Details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova Y63 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 2,999 South African Rand. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y63 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.